Adam Mars, Bye Mars.
Mars.
At Mars. Bye Mars.
Bye Mars. Bye Mars.
Bye Ate Mars. Thank you. Thank you sa lahat, sa friendship, sa fight, at saka sa mga natulong niyo po sa akin.
Good luck sa... Alam ko wala pa tayong moment or hindi pa nagtatagal kasi bago pa lang, hindi pa kayo nakasama. Pero alam ko na magaling kayong kasama. I wish I have more moments with you pero...
Good luck sa iyong bagong journey, saan ka man pupunta. And thank you for being a wonderful part of the team. And make some baby.
I know this day is your last day, so I wish you all the best and good luck with your future endeavors with your family. And thank you for the time that working with you. So keep up the good work, and I wish you all the best.
Mars, teammate since thesis receiving day. Bye-bye and good luck. Love you.
Wally.
Bye Mars.
Hi, Mars.
Bye
Mars.
Mars. Good luck Mars.
Happy birthday. Again,
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Sana magka-baby ka na. Dapat ako na
kita,
yun
Mars.
Ikaw na. Ako na dapat eh. Sorry Mars.
Bye-bye Mars. Thank you, Ingat.
Good luck sa future and thank you for being the positive energy sa team. Thank you for being a good friend. Take care always.
Mars. Alam mo ba, every morning, yung email mo ang una-una kong pinupuksan. Tapos ngayon, hindi, joke lang. Ayan, good luck. And more power.
Hi Mars. Iwan mo na ako. Na 2 years din tayong backup sa. Hindi ko tatanggalin yung masking tape dun sa laptop ko someday. Sana magkaanak ka na. Pag nabuntis ka, balitaan mo ko. Kami. Balitaan mo ako, balitaan ko sila. Chest mo ako sa likod ko. Ayun. Good luck sa inyo ni Matt. Sana maging masaya kayo. So, yun. Sana maging masaya kayo. At sana magka-baby kayo. Good luck and sana masaya ka sa musika mo na.
Ate Mars. Bye, Ate Mars. Thank you sa yung mga finals ko. Ingat ka lang ulit. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi Ate Mars! Naniniwala talaga ako may forever dahil sa inyo ni Max. Good luck na magiging bagong mong work. Tapos ingat ka pa uwing Isabela and God bless you more.
And thank you sa lahat ng tulong sa oral arguments. Yes, nalalaman. Ayun, yun lang. Thank you and good luck. Thank you din sa friendship.
Hi Mars! So alis ka na talaga, kaya wala kang choice kundi panoorin tong video ko. And I would like to thank you for being super nice friend. And super mamimiss kita. Mamimiss ko yung kwentuhan natin over pansit, calamares. So mamimiss ko yun. And yung pagpunta ko sa station mo. And I know you are one step closer to what you really want, to what you really desire, what your dream.
Okay, hi Mars! Balita ko mag-present ka na and good luck sa bagong ka pa with Matt and make more
Baby?
Hello team! Hello Team Mars. So, narinig ko yung balita. Happy Independence Day. Good luck and God bless of your future plans. And mag-anak ka na siguro.
Okay na. Hi Mars! Bye-bye! Good luck sa gagawin mo tsaka sa'yo ni Matt. Kinukita ko ni Ate Ellen, mag-message daw ako sa'yo. Nasa trabaho kaya ako. Yun lang. Hi team! Yun lang. Tawagan niyo ako minsan, FaceTime niyo ako. Bye!
Hi, kami ang Tameme Girl.
Uy, magsalita naman kayo. Uy! Uy! Ay,